Introducing the 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Stay connected on the worksite in the full-size Silverado 1500 pickup. Its smooth, agile ride keeps you comfortable, while its rugged strength gets the job done. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power door locks, power steering. Work smart in the comfortable, connected Silverado 1500. Drive it today.